What is e-waste pollution? E-waste means discarded electrical and electronic items, refrigerators, TVs, washing machines, computers, laptops, mobile phones, medical equipment, even electronic toys. What problems does e-waste pollution cause? Toxic materials like lead, mercury, cadmium, and flame retardants can leak into soil and water, harming people and wildlife. Burning e-waste releases harmful gases, causing air pollution and respiratory problems. Throwing it away wastes precious metals and plastics that could be recycled. Informal recycling, especially in developing countries, puts workers at risk without safety measures. What's the condition of e-waste in India? India is among the top global generators of e-waste. To tackle this, the government introduced the e-waste management rules. These include extended producer responsibility. Companies must take back and recycle old gadgets. Authorized dismantlers and recyclers to build a formal e-waste management system. Collection and recycling targets to push responsible disposal of electronics. But with e-waste rising fast, strict implementation and public awareness are the real keys. What are the challenges in managing e-waste? Informal sector. Most e-waste in India is still handled by the informal sector, using unsafe and harmful methods. Lack of awareness. People don't know how or where to dispose of gadgets responsibly. Limited infrastructure. India doesn't yet have enough authorized dismantlers and recyclers to process the growing waste. Technological challenges. Some components need advanced recycling tech, which isn't widely available. Without solving these issues, e-waste will keep piling up, harming people and the planet.